Hi everyone. The all-new 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro made its world premiere in Pauko, Hawaii, introducing the fourth generation of the best-selling midsize pickup of the last 18 years. With this new Tacoma TRD Pro, Toyota promises improved suspension technology, engine power, and efficiency, plus an interior that strives for better material quality and the clever integration of must-have tech. Along with inheriting a variant of the body-on-frame TNGA-F platform shared with the recently redesigned Toyota Tundra, the new Taco receives updated powertrains and more modern features. Toyota said, with even more off-road capability and the quality, durability, and reliability that our customers expect along with a host of options for every owner, we're confident that Tacoma will remain the top choice for midsize pickup buyers when it arrives later this year. Now that we've gotten your attention, let's take a closer look at Toyota's latest midsize pickup. The most interesting details are under the hood. The TRD Pro is built on the TNGA-F global truck platform shared with the Tundra and Sequoia. The TRD Pro is equipped with an all-new iForce Max powertrain, the most powerful powertrain ever offered on Tacoma. The iForce Max pairs the turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine with a 48-horsepower electric motor integrated into the 8-speed transmission feeding off a 1.87 kWh nickel-metal hydride battery pack. That creates a total system output of 326 horsepower, 243 kilowatts, and a whopping 465 pound-feet, 630 Newton-meters of torque, nearly doubling the torque output of the current-gen truck with the V6 engine. The new TDR Pro features a full-time four-wheel drive system with a center-locking differential. Red aluminum front TRD upper control arms optimize front geometry and reduce unsprung weight, while Fox internal bypass 2.5-inch manual modal quick switch 3 shocks can be adjusted to 3 different settings via dials on the shock bodies to tune compression damping. Outside, it doesn't take an eagle to eye how much the 2024 Tacoma lineup has changed, style-wise, but the TRD Pro is perhaps the most impressive and aggressive-looking of the new Tacoma lineup. It's edgy, angular, and flat-out mean-looking, with wildly aggressive fender flares. Toyota's North American-based Culti Design Center, located in Newport Beach, California, and Ann Arbor, in Michigan, led the design efforts for the new Tacoma, as they did with the Tundra and Sequoia that launched last year. The rugged TRD Pro uses the old Toyota script across the grille and provides powerful additional visual cues like the front skid plate and the horizontal LED lights. However, the TRD has some special touches including a two-tone roof, a catback exhaust system, and a unique hood with a performance air intake. A new integrated LED light bar works in conjunction with the LED headlights to optimize beam pattern aiming for balanced light output with significant range, and a set of rigid white LED fog lamps increase visibility during inclement weather. For an even more sportier look, the TRD Pro has black 18-inch wheels wrapped in 33-inch Goodyear Territory RT tires. TRD Pro also gets a high-clearance ARB rear metal bumper with red recovery hooks and an aluminum TRD front skid plate. One of the most striking colors for the Toyota Tacoma is bronze oxide, and a new color unique to the TRD Pro will be announced later. Other options are supersonic red, blue crush metallic, underground, wind chill pearl, solar octane, celestial silver metallic, black, and ice cap. Toyota has achieved an impressive maximum ground clearance of 9.5 inches, maximum running ground clearance of 11 inches, and maximum 33.8-degree approach, 23.5-degree breakover, and 25.7-degree departure angles. Inside, the Tacoma TRD Pro cabin has been fully redesigned, but it still feels very rugged, and it's also filled with the latest technology and information screens that bring significant updates to the cabin. The TRD Pro drivers will find a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 14-inch infotainment system, and a head-up display. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility and pairs well with the available Qi wireless charging pad with enhanced power output. A USB-C data and charging port is integrated on the right side of the display, and dual USB-C charging ports are included in the front row and available for the rear passengers. For those who love to jam out both in their truck on the way to camp and at the campsite, Tacoma now offers a premium 10-speaker JBL audio upgrade, including a new externally coupled subwoofer for improved output and a JBL Flex portable speaker. When docked on the dash, the JBL Flex charges and operates as the center channel speaker. The new seat's paper-cut red leather feels soft and just right pliant, of higher quality than the leather lining the interiors of outgoing Tacoma. Debuting exclusively on the new TRD Pro is a segment-first IsoDynamic performance seat that helps provide a smooth, confidence-inspiring ride for those in the driver and front passenger seats. The goal of this patent-pending feature is to stabilize the driver's field of vision to improve focus and comfort and reduce fatigue while on rugged trails. The IsoDynamic performance seat uses an air over oil shock absorber system, allowing for vertical and lateral seat movement simultaneously to dampen body movement and stabilize the head and neck to keep alignment with the spine. This dampening effect is tunable based on body mass and occupant preference and can be bypassed, if desired, via levers on the seat backs. The safety: the 2024 Tacoma TDR Pro comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, Toyota's suite of active safety and convenience systems. New to Tacoma TSS enhancements are made possible by system sensors with improved detection capability. This suite of features includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, full speed range, dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, automatic high beams, proactive driving assist, and proactive driving assist is new to Toyota Safety Sense. Finally, the all-new 2024 Tacoma TDR Pro will go on sale in early 2024, and the manufacturer's suggested retail pricing will be announced closer to the on-sale dates. The TRD Pro will likely rival the likes of the Ford Ranger Raptor and GMC Canyon at 4X, with price tags north of $50,000.